today? Today we will learn how to ask the question. So today we will learn about what. Okay, so let's see. Muos is mean what. Muos is mean what. Okay. Muos, or if you want to make short form, you just move and remove seals. Okay, remove seal. Move and then let's just or so become more. Okay, so let's see example. In the full form, okay, muos sư mok go yo. What do you eat? Okay, mua sư mok go yo. What do you eat? You see, right? Muos is objective, so when you eat something and that is objective, so muos sư mok go yo. Ramyeon mok go yo. I eat ramyeon. Okay, so the question muos sư mok go yo and answer ramyeon mok go yo. So this is the answer. Change form, so you ask already what, then when you answer you just add object. Okay, so let's see the next example. Then I will use short form. EKKA is mean this. EKKA more yeah yo. What is this? 이게 뭐예요? 이게 책이에요. 이게 책이에요. This is the book. Okay, so 이게 this check is a book. 이에요. 이에요 is mean is, am, are. Okay, so when the noun check has end with consonants, then use 이에요. 이게 책이에요. This is a book. So see next example. 지금 is mean now. 지금 뭐 해? What are you doing now? 지금 뭐 해? 지금 뭐 해요? For make polite when you talk with someone you don't know or older than you, then you just add your. Okay, so 지금 뭐해? When you ask your friend, 지금 뭐해? What are you doing? And then your friend answer, 지금 학교에 가요. I'm going to school now. Okay, your friend answer, I'm going to school now. So, yet when you ask more and then you answer with something. Okay, let's see more example for more understand easy. More 하고 있어요. And it also you can use 거 있어요 is used with present continuous tense. The last lesson, if you didn't learn yet, so in this corner, 먹고 있어요. What are you doing? 지금 한국어 가르치고 있어요. 지금 한국어 가르치고 있어요. I am teaching Korean now. Okay, so let's see more example. More what? More 마셔요. 뭐 마셔요? What are you drinking? What are you drinking? 물 is the water. 물 마셔요. So I hope this lesson easy for you and you know how to use the sentence, the question sentence. So this is how to use what. So right now you can use how to use what for ask many questions. I hope this lesson useful for you and easy. So right now you know how to ask the question about what. So if you like this video, don't forget put thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye.